Welcome. It's a lovely day today and I'm very excited to talk about the master blaster of air conditioners, the absolute all-rounder. Yes, I'm talking about the cutting-edge Panasonic Arch series air conditioners, the trust of 10 crore customers worldwide. Panasonic inverter ACs are a perfect combination of superior comfort, better health and advanced design. It's like having a batsman, a bowler and a fielder all in one. That's why Panasonic air conditioners have consistently been ranked as the #1 AC in Japan. Experience power play in comfort with Panasonic Twin Cool Inverter technology. It has twin rotary compressors that ensure longer life, better cooling and lower power bills as compared to other split ACs. It gives perfect balance, like two wicket keepers on both sides of the stumps. Switch on the powerful mode for ultimate comfort. It allows faster air circulation over a larger area for quick cooling, even in extreme heat. So no matter where on the field you are, you will always be Captain Cool. Hit a hat-trick with its 3-stage air purification that removes PM 2.5, bacteria and odor. Now that's a remarkable defense for better health, isn't it? It's often said, if you must play with style. The indoor fascia of the Arch series has been newly designed in Japan and comes with silver and gold finishes for a luxurious look on your walls. Panasonic ACs come with a corrosion-resistant outdoor unit and bluefin condenser that delivers superior protection against damage from air, water and other corrosives. The Arch series range comes with a 10-year warranty on the inverter compressor, so you enjoy quality innings for life. Besides, all Panasonic Twin Cool Inverter models come with stabilizer-free operation between the voltage range of 145 to 285 volts. Now that's a complete sweep by Mr. Dependable Panasonic AC, isn't it? So, get ready to hit a century with Panasonic Inverter AC, Japan's #1 air conditioner. Just like 10 crore happy customers around the world. Bring home a Panasonic AC, Japan's #1 air conditioner. Bring home quality air for life.
Panasonic.